All right, I'm out here with Israel. Sorry about the voice. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. But Israel, what do you got going on today?
So today we're doing actually detail work. We're trying to hide all the liner and our pipe. Putting some bigger rocks and finishing putting some 3/4 inch local rock. And then putting also the pump. And I think we'll be good for today.
Awesome. All right, I'm over here at Alta Vita, got it in, and just completed the landscaping on this. And so I thought I'd show you guys how it looks. Let me give you a few details on this feature. We've got about 50 tons roughly worth of stone. It is a Colorado buff boulder that actually got shipped nearby from Loveland, not too far from here. But we've got almost 1,000 square feet of liner, so it was double lined on this scenario. And so we've got 10 large aqua blocks, and then we've got a 10,000 gallons per hour pump, and so pretty significant flow going over those stones. And so I'm really excited about this project. I thought guys just did a fantastic job. When it comes down to maintaining water features, Pondless Waterfall is actually a great device when it comes to just enjoying it with low maintenance. It's just a fantastic thing that you can just have that sight and sound of water, moving water. The cool thing with that is it requires very, very little maintenance. So we definitely recommend the Pondless Waterfall when it comes to lower maintenance.